Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
In this video, I will show how to make an umbrella with paper. Start by gathering a square sheet, a slim stick, glue, and scissors, then clear a flat workspace for neat folds. Cut the paper into precise shapes and test the stick length against the paper edge for balance. Keep materials nearby and check that your glue is tacky, not runny, before folding to prevent soggy seams while you assemble. Gently fold the paper along both diagonals to mark the center. Then make accordion folds about 1/2 inch wide to create ribs that mimic a real canopy. Keep each fold parallel and sharp by running your fingernail or a bone folder along the crease. Once folded, compress the accordion so the center aligns, then bind the hub tightly with glue or thread to hold the rib shape before fitting the handle into place. If you're enjoying this guide, please subscribe and like to support more simple craft videos. Quick recommendation: a book called The Simple Path to Wealth can change how you think about money and help fund your creative projects, so it pairs nicely with DIY frugality. I find its clarity surprisingly motivating when planning supplies budgets, and it makes a great gift for makers. Check the description for the link and other deals. Now let's get back to the video. Carefully push the stick handle into the canopy hub, twisting slightly to find a snug route that avoids tearing the paper. Reinforce the entry with a small glued collar or tape ring to distribute pressure and prevent rips when opening and closing. Adjust the stick length so the finished umbrella balances in your hand. Then let glue dry fully before gently expanding the ribs to test the canopy shape and make final crease adjustments for symmetry.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.